Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on how to cancel your SpellQuiz subscription. Whether your needs have changed or you're simply taking a break, we're here to help you through the process. Let's walk through the steps to cancel your subscription directly from your SpellQuiz account. Step 1. Log into your account. First, sign into your SpellQuiz account. Step 2. Navigate to the subscription page. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and find the payment section. Here, click on Set up your plan to view your subscription details. Step 3. Check your subscription status. In the Set up your plan section, you'll see your subscription status. It will show whether your plan is active or canceled. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. If your subscription is active and you've decided to cancel, simply click on the Cancel button. This will deactivate any future renewals. And that's it! You've successfully canceled your SpellQuiz subscription. If you're considering taking a further step and wish to delete your account entirely, simply send us an email requesting account deletion and our team will assist you promptly. We're sorry to see you go, but remember, you can always return and subscribe whenever you're ready. Until then, keep learning and exploring.